Welcome to how to send Zoom link for meeting. So in this video we are going to show you how to send Zoom link for meeting. Okay, so the first thing that you will do, you will open up Zoom. Okay, and the next thing that you will do, you will tap on new meeting here, and then what you will do, you will just basically tap on start meeting. Okay, and after this your Zoom meeting will be started. Okay, and once your Zoom meeting is done, what you will do is basically you will tap on the participants option here, and then here you will tap on invite, and then now you can basically copy this invite link, and you can invite someone through WhatsApp, connected Gmail, or if you have some Zoom contacts, you can invite those as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.